to find someone that I mean everything to. I want them to watch with fascinated eyes as my personality ebbs and flows like the water I grew up next to. I want them to be thirsty, to learn new things about me that no one else knows. I want them to know what I'll say before I even write the poem. I ache to understand and I crave understanding. I want someone to even my chaos with planning, to balance and care for and perfectly match me, to know that I'm a firework that just needs a match. See, I do this for every boy I meet. I just want someone to do all this for me. I want to find someone that I mean everything to, and when I finally reach them, they'll say, "Hey, I've been waiting for you."